If you want to be successful, then there's two things that you must know. Your success depends entirely on you. So number one, you need to know who you truly are. What's important to you? What are your values? What are you passionate about? What's your vision, your mission, your purpose? What are your strengths and weaknesses? What are your gifts and talents? What do you stand for? What are your superpowers? All these things go up to make you uniquely you and are a critical part of your success. Now, the second thing that you need to know is why you want to achieve your goals and dreams. Your compelling why is the fuel that will push you beyond your fears and doubts and get you out of your comfort zone, that will help you to overcome the frustrations, the failures, the setbacks, the disappointments that are an inevitable part of your journey to success. Now, if you'd like to know more about how to achieve the massive success that you want for this year, then come and join me for my 3 days of free training, where I'm going to show you step by step how to build wealth through an online business that you love. Day one, I'm going to share with you the secrets and tips and strategies to building a 6-figure online business within 6 months or less. Day two, I'm going to share with you powerful tools and strategies to help to build an unstoppable mindset by releasing the fears and doubts and limiting beliefs that are stopping you from being your absolute best and achieving life beyond your wildest dreams. Day three, I'm going to take those strategies that I show you on day two, and I'm going to work with you live on the call to actually clear out the limiting beliefs, fears and doubts that are stopping you from achieving anything that you put your mind to. This training is going to be an absolute game changer. You do not want to miss it. It is entirely free, and all you need to do is go to onlinewealthaccelerated.com to register your details now. I look forward to seeing you on the training.